Hi, welcome back. Another important tip, and today we will try to learn importance of sales unit of measurement and why it is so special and different from your base unit of measurement. Okay, let's try to understand this. Before that, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Okay, you will get more tips and real-time issues, relevant stuff, and you can able to find in my channel. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my Udemy so that you can better learn. If you have already trained on SAP SD or MM or any module, better get into this course, real-time idoc training for SAP consultants. This is very important. If you are looking for real-time, get into these 5 scenarios I have explained. And apart from that, one more course is there, getting master to write functional specification. This is very important for each and every module. Preparing business documents is the key in real time. There is nothing else. Just get into this course if you really wanted to learn. If you are from PP background, I have given a template. If you are from background or FI background, you just download the template and try to write on your own the functional specification so that you can be better. And SAP SD sales and distribution, if you want to learn, this is 95 hours, and this is S4 HANA simple logistics. If you are not introduced to S4 HANA nowadays, sometimes if you are already trained on SD, ECC also, they might put you in S4 HANA project. So this is the where I have given the basics. You can try this course. And this is for S4 HANA intercompany sales and consignment sales. And here consignment sales is there is no much difference. Just I would like to show you, but intercompany sales is integrated with BP, then you must learn this. And this SAP SD, ECC or S4 HANA pricing concepts. So pricing I have already holding 21 hours. So this is basically the basic course. Okay, 157, almost 4.5 out of 5. This is the course for ECC business processes, and this is for your pricing concepts. Okay, I'm just providing these links below of this video. Now let's get into the topic. So now if you look at here, these are the two things. If you're a beginner, then you try to understand this. This is the base unit of measurement. Now currently it is piece, and there is one more element called sales unit of measurement. See, for example, so you are taking one pack, one piece holding actually, some 10 quantity 10 quantity of 10 quantity of pack, you will call it a 10 quantity, 10 pieces are there in one biscuit packet. So that is piece actually. Sales unit is one pack, it can be pack, okay, or else one unit. So how many pieces will become one pack? That's the question. So like when for example, you are you're doing like grams, calculating base unit of measurement, but actually you are selling in kgs. Suppose you're calculating something in kgs manufacturing, but you are selling in tons. So such a case, unit of measurement will, suppose something is there, milliliters is there, okay, so liters it will be converted into that, like that, such a case you can able to use it. If you go to mm02, this is the place where you can able to find it out. Now let's try to so it's not expired. Let me check this. Let me try to log in again. Now let's create a sales order. Now, if you look at this, the unit of measurement by default, it is coming pieces. So what is the understandability here? If you don't maintain sales unit of measurement, it will pick base unit of measurement. Now let's try to, let me show you here also. Double click here. So now see, it is one piece equal to one piece. For example, if I have taken 100 quantity, so still see 100 pieces. Now let's try to understand sales unit of measurement for this. Okay, so this is Cadbury biscuits I have created. So like I'm just giving pack. Okay, let's give the pack. So one pack holding 10 pieces. Okay, let's do this. Now let's try to give a sales order. That means sales unit of measurement give preference over your base unit of measurement. For example, 10. See, pack is coming. So 10 packs equal to. So now let's come here. So this is the conversion. One pack equal to 10 pieces. So 10 packs. 10 packs means come here. You'll come to know. So okay, price I have maintained 200. That means 20,000 you got it. Okay. So one piece equal to 200. 10 pieces 2,000. 100 pieces 20,000, like that. Okay. So that's it. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind.